Hello and welcome to another tutorial on Python tricks. In this video, we're going to talk about how to access the indices of different items in a list in a for loop. Imagine we have a list of different names, like different characters in Friends series. Joey, my favorite one.
How you doing?
Ross, Monica, Phoebe, and Rachel and Chandler. Okay. And now I want to use a for loop to print each element and the corresponding indices. Okay, how I can do it? I can use a very basic way to do this. I can have a counter. I put it as 0. And after that, I will use a for loop for name in names. And what I want to do is that I just call print and put counter, also the name in it. And each time I will increase the counter by 1. I save it and I run it. Here you can see that what we were looking for. But also I can use a built-in function in Python called Innominate. Let's see how it works. Let's select these lines of code. Oops. Okay, I save it. I make a variable called enums. I call the enumerate function and I pass in the names. If I want to see what is inside of enums, I run it. Here, as you can see, we have an enumerate object, but if we want to specifically see what is inside of it, we should cast it to a list. If I run it again, here we go. As you can see, ENUMERATE method basically has converted our list into a list of tuples in the way that the first element of each tuple is the index of each element, let's say, and the second one is the element itself. Okay. Also, it is interesting to know that enumerate can be used directly in for loops. Let's check it out. So for idx as index and name in enums, I can print out the idx and the name. If I save it and I run it, here you can see that I have the output that I was looking for. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. For more Python tricks, please subscribe my channel. See you next time.